video, we're gonna make a beautiful and vibrant orange, fiery passion, citrus carrot juice. These recipes are not made up by me. I actually received them from a friend, and she sent me a 3-day juice cleanse from spaandbeautytoday.com. And all of the recipes are on the Vitamix website. Now we're not going to be using a Vitamix today. I'm going to show you how to do it the old school way with just a blender and a strainer. In day 1 of the challenge, I lost 6 pounds overnight. And over my friend's challenge, she lost a total of 5 pounds. And she also ate one day. I'm gonna throw that in there. She did eat one of the days. So if you guys are ready to do a 3-day juice cleanse, I'll definitely share the link with you. And if you want more recipes like this, you're interested in juicing, then I'm making 9 of these videos. So there's gonna be 9 different juices over the course of 3 days. So like and follow, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you guys think. And let's get right into it. All right, so today we're doing the citrus carrot juice. We got our setup going on right here. Today we have 6 tablespoons, or about that, of pineapple. We have 4 tablespoons of medium carrots and 2 tablespoons of lemon, which is 1/4 slices with the peel. We got our water, our ice. We got our handy dandy bowl and strainer, which I love, as well as our blender. So let's get started. We're starting with 1 smoothie. And today we're gonna be making 2, one for me and one for my husband. So I'm gonna add the pineapple first. We'll add the carrots. And it's just a little bit of ingredients because we're doing more of a juice. Yesterday we did an awesome smoothie. It was a green juice. Okay, so we got the lemon. We're gonna add some ice cubes. Seems like about 1 cup. And then we're gonna add 1 cup of water. So the recipe calls for 2 cups of ice cubes and 1 cup of water, but I'm gonna reverse it. I'm gonna do 2 cups of water, 1 cup of ice cubes, because I don't have enough ice right now. We're gonna shut that really tight, flip that over and blend it up. Okay, now we're gonna open up this mixture. We're gonna pour it through the strainer here. It smells so citrusy. And then while we're waiting on that, we're gonna start the next smoothie. So again, we're doing pineapple, carrots, lemon, ice, and I'm pouring the 2 cups of water. Screw that lid on really tight. And we're gonna blend that up. It's beautiful. Get our jars ready, get our lids ready, and we're gonna pour our first juice. Oh, I spilled it. Oh man, I knew that was gonna happen if I didn't do it over the sink.
We buy houses. That's what we do.
Sell to a local, trusted husband and wife team that has helped hundreds of families just like you.
We love buying land, single-family houses, as well as small apartment buildings.
If you don't want to pay realtor fees or closing costs, we might be a match for you.
You get to keep all the profits. There are no fees involved.
Call us at 877-721-SELL
That's 877-721-SELL. Please pick up the phone and call us.
or visit our website at homebuyingsoffer.com.
And now we pour juice number 2. Better luck this time. Ooh, look at that. And you can see how much I spilled too. It's not that much. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love this one. I'm gonna put the caps on. And we're done. Day 1, juice 2. So we actually started this juice challenge for dinner. So we did have lunch and then we just did not eat dinner and we had a juice for dinner. So I went to sleep overnight and I actually lost 6 pounds overnight, which is crazy. I don't think it's gonna keep going at that rate, but I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna continue losing probably a lot of water weight because I'm not overweight to begin with. I maybe have a couple pounds to lose, but for me to drop 6 pounds is a lot. So keep watching to see how the journey unfolds.